Check out this 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This vehicle delivers the best of sporty styling and modern efficiency. Confidence comes standard thanks to driver-focused design, state-of-the-art safety features, and a premium feel. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moon roof, fog lamps, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Meet us at the intersection of style and efficiency. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.